angazi ukuthi ayingiwayephi kuvetane kuluma ikuku kunale pattern weird ukuthi lo mfana oxoxa nami ebusuku kuphela, because she mentioned ngengikwazi narrator le story sami ngesigesi ngeke kahluleka bahlali ngeke. Hi guys, welcome back to another video by your girl Lindy Black, and welcome back to Sunday Spooky Story Time. I know guys, I am guilty as charged. I know I haven't given you guys any story time for the past 2 days, and that's crazy actually. That's crazy. So yeah, also I forgot to mention I had done my makeup for this story time, but then I just didn't like how it looked on my camera. So I was like, nah, I'm taking it off. And also I just didn't like, you see these bumps, my skin is breaking out. It's just scary. I've never had this kind of a breakout before. So yeah, it was a little bit uncomfortable and unsettling when I was just, shooting, and then I decided that, you know what, scratch it, I'm gonna remove my makeup, I'm just gonna let my skin breathe. But also I have, like, my skin has been breathing because I haven't had makeup in like forever. I don't know, in 3 weeks. Yeah, I haven't had my makeup. I haven't had any makeup on my face. But yeah, anyway, so the story time that I'm about to tell you is story time Engasiza. It's a story time that I had from my cousin's friend. Sharp. So this one time I was visiting my cousin. Okay, wait. Also, let me clarify something. Ne? If ever along the way I struggle narrating the story time in English, I'm definitely gonna try to give you guys a direct translation of what I'm saying. So if you didn't catch it in my language, you are definitely going to catch it in the direct translation. But also, if you get lost, Mfanaka, just remain lost, because Lina, I struggle with narrating in English. I'm trying. People from Kenya, Uganda, which other country? I forgot which other country, but people from outside South Africa, I do apologize. I'm still struggling with narrating story times in English, but I'll do my utmost best. And it's currently 2 a.m. in the morning. Shout out to whoever that suggested I should do my story times at nights. My girl, you ate with that recommendation, because right now it's so quiet. It's just so quiet. It's just so quiet and scary. And I think I like the setup. So anyway, without wasting any time, you see that I'm tired, because I'm tired. I'm even bushering the words. Anyway, without any further ado, so sharp story time. I was visiting my cousin. Yeah, well, I was visiting my cousin. Sharp, I'm visiting at my auntie's place. I'm chilling with my cousin. So now, fine, cousin, my cousin's friend decides to pull through. Yeah, well, Sharp, she pulls through. After pulling through, we're sitting by the veranda. Shapo reniko verandeng shapo. I masahleli kuvaranda njalo. Hi. Mama loko baxoxa as they're busy having a conversation. My cousin's friend, let me name. I said, my cousin. I'm gonna call my cousin, and I'm gonna call my cousin's friend Ubani. Unoxolo, Sharp. Noxolo decides to, start telling my cousin stories. So one of the stories that she mentioned was that this one time, and I quote, this one time she went no, she was just chilling. She was just chilling. It was around 9 p.m. approaching 10 p.m. during the week. She was just chilling. As she's chilling, she gets she was in varsity, so she gets a DM from Facebook, right? Because she mentioned ngengikwazi ukunarrathela isitori sami ngesigesi ngeke ngiyahluleka bahlali ngeke ngiyazama ngizwa ngathi ngiyastruggle ngiyasuffocate mina ngizongixolela you guys are gonna forgive me anyway Sharp unoxolo athi Sharp I was just bengihleli yabo bengihleli erumini I was scrolling on Facebook hi cool vibes as I'm busy scrolling on Facebook I receive a friend request yabo hi I go to the friend request mangifika friend request I see umfana omuhle nje umfana oclean o cute yabo I go through profile yakhe I see a couple of pictures I think it was about 4 pictures yabo Sharp unoxolo athi hi ngiboka ukuthi hi itype yami yabo so unoxolo decides to accept a friend request shafedi ngingabi nenkinga unoxolo ma accept a friend request kanjalo within a few minutes the guy DMs her yabo asithi uguy sombiza ngobani mara asithi uguy sombiza ngoManqoba right I don't have a reason why I gave him Umanqoba but yeah asithi uguy sombiza ngoManqoba yabo Sharp no let's just call uguy ngo stranger you'll understand why so Sharp hi athole DM from uguy I'm texted athi kuye hi why ungalele gorgeous hi why ungalele umuntu omuhle ayibo athi hi why ungalele umuntu omuhle and then unoxolo athi ngibone bon DM ngibe interested ukuthi ngiphendule because lo mfana lo ngithe mangimbheka ku profile ungichazile and also it's giving you know uyangifuna because why would you just randomly send someone a DM a friend request go Facebook and then after that DM them almost immediately after they had accepted your friend request yabo Sharp ashamphendula athi hey cha anginabuthongo it's still a bit early mina ngilala ngabo 12:01 kanje yabo still a bit early for me hi ngaqeda ukusho kanjalo ke na ubaby boy stranger athi kuyena oh okay do you mind if we have a conversation because bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uyolala you understand athi no I don't mind we can have a conversation bashaya baxoxe sorry obviously Noxolo is getting to know the guy and same as stranger is also getting to know uNoxolo abashap bakhuluma uNoxolo at that time bayafunda iTUT yabo ahlala basho kwenye rest so Sharp I mfana obviously stranger knows about ukuthi ufundani futhi and futhi uhlala kephi and then naye vice versa uyazi ukuthi uhlalaphi basho umfana wathi uhlala eJoburg yabo mfana uhlala eJoburg makahlala eJoburg umentionile nje indawo yakhona hayi umfana uhlala eJoburg kanjalo they decide ukuthi sibacocile after like a couple of weeks yabo basho unoqo like the guy I decided to go invite her over to know you know what can you please pull through yabo asho texted around boma 10 kanti ebusuku yabo on a Saturday athi do you mind pulling through na I'd like to chill and just have a young yana late chillers with you yabo ayinoxola asiphela ke mina nalomfana bese sixoxile and bese ingxoxo yethu bese ifike to a point whereby sesiyazwana in a way you know ukuthi we are both interested in the same things and we feel like we are interested in being in a relationship you know together just that into eseyisele manje ukuthi sibonane sibo ukuthi le chemistry khona efonini ikhona yini you know na in person because apparently they used to also have like phone calls late night phone calls you know into kanjalo Sharp ungabi nenkinga kena unoxolo I decided ukuthi yeah I mean I can come as okay kena ngizokusendela imali yabo ngizokusendela imali uze Sharp ungabi nenkinga basho amsendela imali yeUber gibele ubu noxolo aye ku apartment yomfana so mafika apartment yomfana kule apartment ufika ufika kuyona you need to provide like your ID or your license yabo basho bekamtshela ukuthi ezine-ID yakhe noma i-license yakhe ukuze akwazi ukungena egeyidini. Hayi sharp ngabe nenkinga mafika egeyidini basho bekamtshelile ukuthi eze ku-room bani ku-apartment bani yabo. Hayi sharp mafika egeyidini provide the thinking the ID yabo, ID yakhe bayiscan i-ID yakhe, sorry agcwalise, so bayiscan i-ID yakhe agcwalise amafomu as-a-visitor yabo. Hayi uNoxolo agcwalisa amafomu as-a-visitor, hayi fine no problem, kabi nenkinga yabo. Hayi kodwa enhlizweni yakhe basho kube nalento emshayayo ukuthi yabo kodwa lo mfana wayengangilandi la egeyidini, mina kumele manje ngicingane ne-room lakhe yabo. Fine angabi nenkinga cause basho apparently bekunama-apartment building awu-6 na. Ubuzile lapho ukuthi apartment what ikubani, i-apartment number, leyo number leyo asusu number 4, apartment number 4 ingalaphi, bamkhombisa yona ukuthi ingalaphi yabo. Fine no problem, waya kuyona. It wasn't a struggle or fast to get to i-apartment yakhe. Fine kabi nenkinga. Hayi basho afika apartment 4 na bekahlala ku-floor 4 lo mfana. Mafika floor 4 na kule passage, the corridor yabo, the lights are flicking yabo, ama-lights wakhona ayaflika sona. So hayi man athuka ukuthi hayibo lama light manje wayangalungisa, and you guys kusebusuku undlula ku-corridor where there's literally no one and the lights are flicking. Come on, nami ngathuka. Hayi angapay attention yabo. Fine okay, azafika erumini lamfana ku-apartment yamfana. Mafika ku-apartment yamfana anganokhi yabo, am-text ukuthi I'm outside your apartment, and then umfana athi yeah come in, it's okay come in. Hayi intombazane ithi come in, it's okay ngingabi nenkinga mina. I was naive as I am, gullible as I am. Basho hayi fine ngivula umnyango. Mangivula umnyango kanje kumnyama, you understand, it's dark literally, kumnyama nje into esusayo, akubonakala lutho, akunanto ekhanyile, akuna TV ekhanyile, akuna phone ekhanyile. Hayi kodwa kulobo bumnyama ayibona ishadow yomfana noma yomuntu ihleli lapha yabo in a couch. Hayi athi makavula umnyango a step, you know when you just put your inyawuli one and you're like Koko, like she started knocking Koko, cause now she's scared. Kumnyama, why is it dark? Do you get? And why are you sitting there? It's just creepy. So I think ngingangeni because what the heck? Yeah, but I don't know. I can't even see what I'm stepping inside right now. Sharp uNoxolo ngamnenxaki. Bona ngithi ngamnenxaki yabona. uNoxolo athuke vele athi hey Koko, alibela athi Koko ambize ngegama athi stranger, cause she can literally see a form, a shadow form of umuntu. You know when you see frame yomuntu uhleli kunomuntu, you can see ukuthi loya umuntu lo. So shabo ambiza athi stranger, anoka stranger, and then emnyango athatha step back, ubuyele emnyango emnyango. Yeah, uNoxolo athatha a few steps back, because now she's getting creeped out because she's knocking and she's calling out lo muntu akaphakami lapha ekhawuchini yabo. Hayi basho maqeda ukubuyela emuva usajamile usabukile ukuthi what's going on yabo. Hayi basho lo mfana asukume, ustranger asukume, makasukuma eze towards the door kodwa angaveli. Do you understand? As much as the lights were flicking, Noxolo could see inside but not the whole place. Bekabona nje until esinkini kanje. Hayi basho alukane kanjalo kena. Ama-lights alibela ayaflika, umfana awalk towards him. Okay, so basho umfana athi okay, like as umfana as his approach vele maka-approach kanje, the guy stands a little bit far from the door yabo. Mfana stands a little bit far from the door, makama a little bit far from the door, athi yes, can you please come in yabo. Athi uNoxolo, can I please come in? Yabo. as much as I'm all naive and gullible, like it's so dark. Now you can't just step into a dark room. Come on. Where's Aglone? I wonder if it's your room, it's one thing if it's a room you're saying. But you're stepping into someone's apartment, there is not even a single light. You understand? So I say no. Can you please turn on the lights? I should say no, but like I just explained to you that I have sensitive eyes, don't in my eyes can't properly adjust to this light. I've been trying to change this for the past few weeks. Can you please come in? I'll switch on the TV. We're gonna watch a movie. I not all as you know what, let me just get in because also these lights outside are creeping me out. And also I can hear Woody. This is the guy that I was talking to, like through the voice. Finally, she comes in, Mashma, come into the darkness. Guys, hey, I will not call. She gets in, it's dark. Kusase dark because I'm actually she walks towards obviously lounge. As she's walking in, the guy is also walking towards a lounge. Fine, as you can sit down, I sit her down, Maka to sit her down, I turn her on the TV, Sharp Martin on the TV na ulo unoxolo uhleli literally on a couch that is directly to the TV. So a TV ishaya yen. The lighting of the TV shaya. Umfana uhleli kwelinye couch literally by the side. The lights your TV I am shy umfana but I can see him. It's like now I can see him, I can see his skin color, I can see that okay, it's a human being. Like Omonto obviously is the person that I was speaking to. But also it's a little bit weird. I'm not saying Ogoti, he was supposed to sit next to me, da 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 da. But also it was a little bit creepy. Ogoti, literally this is a long couch and then he chose to go sit by the next couch. So yeah, it was a little bit creepy. So I find I got very ibe pants because now they're starting to speak. Offerisha something to drink, offerisha a cold drink, cold drink and snacks. Bashala veli babugi move. Shababugi movie, it was a romantic movie, they both liked it. I go fine. I guess I kwenze ukuthi phela ke kwenzeke ukuthi phela unoxolo they decide ukuthi phela they just had a great time. They have the chemistry that they've been having phoning. So yeah, they decided to smash. I understand it. It's literally 2 a.m. in the morning. Why wouldn't imoto? I want to buy a pixel. It's not even Monday today, it's Sunday. So anyway, again, they decide to smash noxolo ala nomfana loyo balale khona lapha yabo. Sharp, no problem. Unoxolo makavuka ekuseni, right? There's no one in the house, like akunakho umuntu, akukho umuntu nje. Basho sharp ahlale vele. Ayitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe umfana uye somewhere yabo uyothenga ukudla uyothenga something because it was now Sunday. Remember ufika on a Saturday night manje sekuyisunday athi ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe mfana uyothenga ukudla yeah uyokuthenga something because akashongo lutho anoxola hlale basha buka iTV noxola yabo abuka iTV mabuka iTV kanjalo mathi ubheka isikhathi guys uthi ngivuke ngo-8 18. It's been over 3 hours umfana kabuyanga so koshaya u-12 manje phela it's approaching u-12. Athi no man ngithi mina you know what, I'm hungry, let me get myself something light to eat so that noma eza nokudla ngizochubeka ngidle, I won't be full yabo. Hayi athi vula amakhabethe akunalutho emakhabetheni guys. Like literally akunalutho emakhabetheni, there's no food, there's nothing. Kune fridge ifridge yakhona asingaphakathi uthola amanzi and leyo fridge beyingalayitiwe. Okay, I actually, you know what, it's ingibekezela umfana uyabuya. Surely, this is the reason why he went out. He went to get some food. Hi, I text umfana, ma text umfana, it's not going through. You get, it's not going through. Hi bo. Minga going through in number. I say phone like Osami, it's the subscriber is not available. Don't hi I network. Cause it doesn't make sense ukuthi bekazothi umblokile, right? Kodwa it doesn't make sense because usendaweni yakhe. It's just weird. You get? Hi, noxolo washo ngithi athi hey bruh, I get dressed yabo ngigcoke mase ngigqoka kanje manje sekashaya lutho phela approach 1 p.m. asi angidlanga, I'm so hungry, and yesterday nje ngangadlile, ngidle the snacks and the drink. Hi, sharp, no problem. Hi, athi ngihlala yabo show you 1, show you 2, show you 3, intombazane ithi never. Alibela uthi uyamzama umfonela angamtholi, alibela uthi uyamtexta angamtholi, guys, like literally angatholakali. Sharp ukuthi mase kushaya u3 hayibo yini loyo guys, ngihlala ku7th floor. Le sound le yakhala ngathi khala la. Anyway, niyabona izinto zebusuku. Oh Heavenly Father, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, because what is this? So, oh guys, basho abo I want you to know what this guy akabuyi. This guy akabuyi nje understand. Sharp, no problem. I think ngigcoke vele cause ngangazile na anything. Cause I didn't think I was gonna sleep. Bengitshela ukuthi ngiyabuya yabo, no problem. Agcoke abe right, bengaphathile ibheke. Umuntu vele basho beyangathanda amabheke, uyafana nje nami. As I take my phone, I take my card, I go withdraw money cause bekune mall lightus. I go withdraw money. Sorry, after withdrawing money, ngitholi Uber ngibuyele endlini. Sharp, ngilibele ngimzama umfana, kushawo 5, kushawo 6, 7. Ngingamtholi umfana yabo. Hayi kuhamba isikhathi ngo9 ngithola iDM from umfana yabo athi ngiyaxolisa. Yo, I had a family emergency ntontoni. I'm so sorry ukukushiya uyi1 endlini. What alibela kuxolisa umfana, alibela kuxolisa yabo. Athi my phone was dead, ngishiya charge endlini. Athi my phone was dead, ngishiya charge endlini. Amtshele nje story singapheli yabo. Cool, no problem, but now Noxolo is feeling some type of way about this whole situation, yabo. I feel like there's something off about this guy, man. You don't just disappear like that. It's crazy. And then ubuye around 9 p.m. ebusuku. Aye, it's crazy. Yabo, ambuza ukuthi what was happening. Amtshela ukuthi hayi, no, like I had a problem endlini mangibezile bekumele ngisheshe. I'm sorry, at least I was supposed to leave you a note or something. I'm glad at least ufike kahle endlini. I was hoping ukuthi ngizokuthola useselana what. Yabo, amtshele nje indendede. Noxola athi no, it's okay. I understand. I find baxoxe basho. Now the weird thing or the weird pattern unoxolo I notice out. Unoxolo starts to realize and see ukuthi kunale pattern weird ukuthi lo mfana oxoxa nami ebusuku kuphela, and I don't understand why, and I'm having a very weird and bad feeling about this. Is he hiding something? I just don't get it. Fine, no problem. I kothi baxoxe vele baxoxe. Now they're getting into a relationship in a way. I fine. Unoxolo this one time decides to pay him a visit during the day. Maqeda ukubhala yabo. I think ngihambe on a random Thursday, ngifike kuma security, same routine, my ID na ngiye ku apartment yakhe. Ngifike nginokhe yabo. Mangilibele nginokha, akunamuntu ophendulayo. Ngimtext umfana angiphenduli, ngifonele ithi the subscriber is not available yabo. Hayi fine, ngilibele nginokha. I knocked for about 5 minutes ngimile lapha. Basho ulo ashama around kunama securities, they randomly walk bashama around per floor. hayi kube ne-security limbona nokha liye kuye yabo. Maliya kuye lithi, sister, right? Athi hey, right, I'm looking for my boyfriend. Security limbheke, you're looking for your boyfriend? Athi yeah. Athi who's your boyfriend? Athi stranger yabo. Athi uhlala kuliphi room? Amkhombise this room. Athi are you sure ukuthi this room? Athi yeah. Angithi this is apartment building number 4. Athi yeah. Athi yes, this room. And then security nje limbheke ukuthi hayibo my sister, are you sure you're in the right, apartment? Athi ngibone from the look ukuthi khona into engathi ayikho right la yabo. Fine. Athi my sister, this room has been vacant for about 6 months to 8 months manje. No, there hasn't been anyone ohleli la since after the incident eyenzeka yabo. Hayibo, athi incident njani, because I was here not so long ago. Athi literally I was visiting my boyfriend in less than a month ago yabo. Ingaze ngathola my chills. Why? Oh my gosh. So athi that's not possible. I'm sure I was here, besibuka movie, everything was fine yabo. Athi lo security, hayibo ntombazana, you're probably not in the right apartment, if I'm being honest with you. Athi, you know what, let me quickly go get the keys so that I can show you that this room is vacant. Little room G at this point is just for the show. Yolokhombisa abantu ukuthi ama apartment la kanjani yabo. Sharp, no problem. Quickly security lothole inkiya lizozovula apartment. Mama vula apartment, it has a TV, it has a TV stand, it has a couch, it has those the demo furniture. It's not demo because it's real, but it's for show, those show furnitures. Kune fridge, kunombhede, it's just well decorated in the yakhona. Just that ahlali umuntu nje, it's just for show. Yep, that place was just like that. Leon Dawanje was just like that. It was just for the show. It was just for show, to show people mabazo, begi indawo or bega my apartment. Hayibo, ntombazana ibe confused. It's kodwa I was literally sleeping here. I woke up in this room. Yabo. Manje amtshela ukuthi sister na angathi uthola urumelo wrong. This room has been, vacant. It's been empty for the past 6 to 8 months. Hayi ntombazana, ethi what kodwa okay ngiyakuzwa. Kodwa what did you mean mawuthi since the incident? Even incident, yabo. I'm telling you, apparently there was someone who bekahlala lana. Unfortunately, that person passed away due to, natural causes. Hi, athi okay, like ngiyakuzwa bhuti wami, athi ngiyakuzwa kodwa lost. I'm very much lost because I'm telling you ukuthi ngivuke la, I haven't slept with the person ohlala la yabo. Athi, do you happen to have a picture yalo muntu, mhlambe umuntu omcimngako lo ukwenye apartment ekubeni wena umcinga la? Makhipha isithombe basho the security athi, my sister, lo muntu lo okhuluma ngaye ukudlala ngaye amadlala, lo muntu okhuluma ngaye uye lo bhuti lo shonile la. Guys, basho angazi ukuthi ayingwayephi, kuvetane kuluma ikuku, kuluma intamo, kuluma amabele, yonke into siyaluma manje. Ayilumi because obviously it's itchy, kuluma because you are, this is so shocking. Like what do you mean? It's so scary even. Hayi, amtshela ukuthi my sister, lento ngitshela yona nje angizwa kahle, lo muntu lo akasekho. Are you sure you're speaking about into eyenzakele recent? Because this person literally 6 months ago. Ntombazana, it's okay, you know what, akunankinga bhuti wami, ngiyabonga, ahambe. Basho uthe makafika endlini, she couldn't hold it. She started crying because uthukile yabo. She started crying. Urooms wambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, wamtshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni kena. Urooms wathi, you know what, into ekanje ifuna ukuthi shem uyobona umuntu yabo, I'd advise you to tell your mom or whoever, and then bakusemntwini check ukuthi are you okay, what's going on, yabo. Basho hayi bamusemntwini, mabamusemntwini njalo bathi spiritually you are weak, so uhehekile, umuntu oshonile ane unfinished business emhlabeni, something along those lines, yeah. So yeah, but see, spiritual muntu, it's still galavanting abasithathanga, it's still in that room, yabo. Unfortunately, when you had a very, I don't know why I'm having goosebumps, guys. I don't know if you can see. Yabo, basho ukuthi when your spirit is very weak, so that's why, akwazile. Okay, actually that's why akwazile umuntu lo ukuthi communicate nawe, and he lured you to his place. So yeah. But sure they did a ceremony for her, a small ceremony to cleanse her hair apparently. Yeah, kodwa nje wabuya seka right. Well, obviously seka qala hlanganisa 1 plus 1 ukuthi no 2 plus 2 ukuthi this person bengikhuluma nabusuku kuphela, emini beyangatholakali. Nje everything was just weird about him. It made sense yonke lento bamtshela yona from that day. Anything that had to do with ama DMs from his Facebook, beyangasayidlali nakancane. Yes, cause I'm so sleepy. I'm forcing myself to finish the story time. I'm so sleepy. So guys, thank you so much for watching and listening to the story time. Please do tell me what you think about the experience that Ulu Abenayo, and also don't forget to like and just comment, guys. Just I think also engagement, it helps me to wanna make more story times for you guys, and not be lazy. The excitement to go to, at least I get a feedback from people. People are randomly gonna throw in some few compliments, few comments. I would like to hear from you. That's what I mean. That's what I'm saying. And also, if you have an idea of what I can use for my skin, because this is not cute. I'm sorry, but this is not cute and this is not me. So please, if you have any idea on what products I can use for my skin, I don't wanna gain complexion. I just wanna, remove the pimples, and also I have a bit of dark spots on my face, so, and also please help with that. And also I've mentioned hyperpigmentation before on my neck, and it's starting to clear off kancane mang losing weight. So please also recommend a product that I can use to clear off my hyperpigmentation, and also a product that can help me with these pimples. Yeah guys, so that's the end of our story time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends, families, and partners. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice week, actually.